Hello, people. This is Moises. I'm studying at National University, an English teaching degree. As you see in the slide, this is uh, redaction. Redaction. Well, I'm gonna show you some examples about how to avoid some grammatical mistakes during writing, um, which is the topic. Written sentences and common splices is the topic. In that slide, I'm going to show you what exactly written sentences mean or is. Can be divided into two types. The first occurs when a writer puts no mark of punctuation and no coordinated conjunction between independent clauses. In this slide, I'm going to show you the second one, which is called comma splice. Occurs when two or more independent clauses are joined by just a comma and no coordinated conjunction. As you see in that slide, there are two sentences. Both of them are the same. And also the same mistake is made. As you see in the first sentence, the flowers are beautiful. They brighten the room. This sentence is incorrect because is missed is missing we're missing the comma. We're not separating the two independent clauses. Second one, we're using comma, but we are not using the coordinating conjunction. That's why this sentence is incorrect. Now in that slide, I'm going to show you how the previous sentences should have looked in our writing. As you see, the first one, the flowers are beautiful. They are using a point, and the first letter of the subject in the second independent clause is in capital letter. The third one, the flowers are beautiful. Punctuation, as the rule said, the case semicolon, and the second independent clause. The third one, the flowers are beautiful. They are using a comma and the respective coordinated conjunction in that case, and the second one, independent clause. In that case, the brighten the room. The fourth one, the flowers are beautiful because they brighten the room. As you see, there isn't necessarily a comma cause the coordinate conjunction is into the both independent clauses. In that case, because. In that slide, the sentence can be corrected with one basic independent clause made up of one subject plus a corresponding predicate, as you see in the table which is that line, subject and predicate. A list of subject, a list of predicate, and how should I look the sentences, and also how to avoid the grammatical mistakes. As mentioned before, a short list of coordinated conjunction or subcoordinated conjunction, whatever you wanted to call it, in that slice. There is some example assessment. The sentences here is my favorite band is in town. They are performing now. The first one is incorrect because we are not using any punctuation, any coordinated conjunction, and in the two independent clauses are in an incorrect way. This is a random sentences and comma splice. Well, I'm gonna show you how these sentences should have looked. My favorite band is in town. The first independent clauses we're gonna use point, and the first letter of the subject of the second independent clauses had to be with a capital letter D. That's why I mark in another color, and in order you to identify in the second one, which is correct, which also is correct. My favorite band is in town, and we're using a comma, and in another color the coordinate conjunction, and the second independent clause is not necessary to use independent in the subject of the second independent clause capital letter because we are using a correct punctuation and a correct coordinated conjunction. Well, that is all. I hope you find useful that video. Thank you so much for paying attention. Thank you.